Congratulations on your purchase of the Go Sun Sport, a revolution in fuel-free cooking. With this video, we will make you a solar cooking pro in no time. First, open the box and remove all the packaging from the stove, including the protective liner covering the reflectors. Screw in the handle to the flat side of the tray and orient the silicone seal so that the steam vent is facing up. Remember to remove the warning label from the inside of the cooking tray. Unthread your cleaning scrubby and set it aside. You'll need that later. And of course, read our user's manual for important safety information regarding your stove. To get started, open the stove and lock both legs in place using the S-clips. Be sure to only set the unit on a stable surface and keep the unit closed until you're ready to cook to avoid accidentally preheating the tube. When you're ready to cook, grasp the stove's central bracket and point the unit so that the reflector tips are perpendicular to the sun. Insert your food and relax.
This is Ultra, the latest helmet from Lumos, the best smart LED helmet you can buy. Ultra will simplify your life, protect your head, and even help prevent accidents. Best of all, it's designed with affordability in mind, so that a Lumos helmet can finally be accessible to everyone. The truth is that bike-mounted lights don't always do enough to make you visible to drivers. Like us, you're probably also tired of your lights getting lost or stolen, and drivers not seeing, recognizing, or responding to your hand signals. That's why Ultra comes integrated with 3 LED modules, giving you full 360-degree coverage, ensuring you're seen by motorists from all angles, and drastically improving your chances of avoiding a crash. There are also turn signals that you can activate easily while riding using the included remote or an Apple Watch. The helmet is sealed and water resistant, so you can ride with it anytime, anywhere, rain or shine. It's smart, so you can use our app to track your rides, check the battery, and personalize your helmet with custom linking patterns. And of course, Ultra offers serious protection for your head. It passes rigorous safety standards with an A-star rating and is also available with the MIPS brain protection system as an optional upgrade. Over the years, we've received a ton of feedback and feature requests from our awesome community of Lumos helmet riders. We are excited that we were able to incorporate many of those requests into Ultra. You asked for a visor? We got a visor. You asked for larger and smaller sizes. Ultra will now come in 3 sizes: small, medium, and extra large for a comfortable fit for the whole family. You asked for a standard charging port. Ultra will feature a USB-C port, making recharging faster and easier than ever. We've also optimized battery life so that Ultra can last for up to 10 hours on a single charge. But the biggest request we've gotten is whether we can make our helmets more affordable.
So you're done with cleaning the old way and ready to embrace the future? But is this what the future should look like? Introducing Kneebot, the robot cleaner that lets you take a back seat and relax with stronger suction power. Automatically boost the suction power on carpet. Multi-level suction adjustment. Better home mapping. Automatic waste disposal. Then resume its task automatically and easy cleaning. You can set specific cleaning areas or no-go zones through the app. And truly rest easy. Uninterrupted. Kneebot. No more dust, no more manual disposal.
Meet SunTable, the world's only solar-powered induction charging table with 360 degrees of sound by JBL. Suntable is the ultimate outdoor companion, allowing you the freedom to charge, chill, and play your music anywhere you go. Designed to live either inside or out, Suntable provides a constant source of renewable energy for your phone, other devices, and its built-in Bluetooth speakers, meaning you'll never have to bring speakers outdoors again. Suntable's induction charger is cleverly located beneath the table, keeping your phone out of sun's way and cool as it charges. And if you don't have an induction charging device, no problem. Suntable also charges via USB. Elegant yet resilient, Suntable not only pleases the eye, but can also endure the uses and rigors of everyday life, including water, so you can safely use it at the pool or at the beach. Basically, Suntable can go wherever you go. By combining a table, solar power, induction charging, and music into one device, we believe we can improve human life outdoors while at the same time improving the planet. So that's Suntable. Please let us know what you think, and if you can, give us a hand. We'd love to inspire you to step outside.
What good is a tool if you don't bring it with you? This is the Peak Design Travel Tripod, and it comes with me everywhere.
For decades, tripods have been mostly negative space. Wouldn't it be great if you could fit a full-featured tripod into half that volume? We sure thought so. We spent the last 4 years redesigning the tripod from the ground up, creating a totally unique architecture that removes dead volume and maximizes portability, with legs, column, hub, and head that fit together perfectly. We created the tool we believed a tripod should be. A tool designed for use in the field, with robust, easy-to-use cams, rapidly deploying legs, and instant, secure camera connection. The result is a tripod that deploys faster than any other in its category. Intuitive and low-profile touchpoints, no guessing which knob to turn or how far to turn it, just one precision-engineered ring for simple and smooth articulation. Exceptional strength, even with heavy pro gear. But this is a tripod for all cameras, even the one in your pocket, with a universal phone mount that stows away magically. Shoot confidently in any environment, on any terrain, getting any point of view, with the gear you already own, or our gear. Use it with Peak Design bags, straps, and clips.
Introducing InstaFloss, the world's first device that flosses your teeth automatically in just 10 seconds. InstaFloss is 2 times more effective than manual flossing and infinitely more comfortable. With swappable mouthpieces and adjustable pressure, InstaFloss makes flossing easy for everyone. With one sweep, pulsing water jets floss for you, never missing a single spot. The jets floss thoroughly between each tooth and clean deeper into the gums than string. Compared to string, water flossing is more effective at reducing gingivitis, reducing bleeding, and removing plaque. The jets clean 360 degrees around each tooth and are always at the dentist's recommended 90-degree angle. InstaFloss feels great, works with braces, dental prostheses, and teeth of any shape, so you can keep your smile beautiful in just 10 seconds a day. With InstaFloss, even those nights you're exhausted, it'll be easier than ever to floss quickly and comfortably, so you can spend more time doing what you love. InstaFloss, the world's first 10-second floss.